my friend's daughter, his classmate, she wants to learn from me, but I said it's not possible. That's the reason I have a channel, so I will upload in my channel. Let the entire world know. Are you understanding, first of all? Any difficulties are you facing? Because my voice cannot be lower than this. That is impossible. Voice cannot be lower than this. So now combination I am going to. Various examples you need to give. Come on, one by one. Did you on this video? One by one. Without referring, now you should not.
Example.
Yes, examples.
H2 plus O2.
H2 plus O2 gives rise to
H2O.
2H2O. Now 2H2. Okay, now second example.
C plus O2.
Very good. C plus O2 gives rise to?
CO2.
Okay, very good. Next. Any more? Any?
Mg plus O2
Mg plus O2 gives rise to
MgO.
MgO. Very good. Now next fourth one.
Na plus Cl. Na plus Cl.
Na plus Cl2 gives rise to NaCl. So 2, 2. Okay. Now many more possible. Undoubtedly all these are energy is released, so exothermic. Any combination reaction can be exothermic. Undoubtedly you can blindly you can say that.
NaCl.
Yeah. Salt formation. Okay, exothermic. Any combination is nothing but exothermic. Now, can you say that all exothermic are combinations?
No, ma'am.
Is there any evidences or is there any example? So this question also very important for theoretical part and can be implemented in the MCQs in fact. That is, all the combination reactions are, write down the question. All the combination reactions are exothermic, but all exothermic reactions are
Need not to be.
all exothermic reactions are not combination, not a combination reactions. Support your answer. These all are the previous year board questions. Okay? So you agreed that there are all the combinations are exothermic, but all exothermic are not combinations. I want any one such example.
Burning of methane.
Burning of methane. Very good, Vishnu. Burning of methane. What is the formula of methane?
CH4.
CH4. Now plus burning, which element is essential? Very good, oxygen. Gives rise to, what is the products formed? What are the possible products are formed? When a fuel is burnt,
H2O.
H2O, okay. Then another one,
CH2.
CO2.
the video is on or else. Okay, CO2 and H2O. Is this balanced equation? Two oxygens, there are three oxygens. So, is it balanced? Here 4 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens. Can I make it 2 here?
Yes, complete.
Is that okay? Sure about? Check the oxygens.
2O.
That side 4 are there, here 2. So, 2. Now, is this reaction is a combination? You all know that. This is nothing but CNG auto rickshaws, gas pipelines we are using for generating energy. But why, how can you say that it is not a combination? Because more than one reactant involved, then it is also a combination, right?
No, more than one.
Ah, combination, single product should be there, but here more than
More than
one
one.
product is produced, so it is not a combination. Since energy is released, but it is a exothermic reaction. Okay, so this is one of the equation which proves that all exothermic reactions are not combination. No need to go for this much fuel combustion. Simple equation, respiration. What is respiration? If you close your nose for 1 hour, I will be closed in the jail. Got it? Since it is advised by me. So, respiration reaction C6H12O6. That's a glucose. When you breathe oxygen, it breaks down to produce 6 carbon dioxide plus 6 H2O plus ATP. ATP means energy is given. Adenosine triphosphate. Okay. Now in this reaction what happened? Energy is released, so we can call it as exothermic. But more than one product is formed, so it is not a combination. So it's remaining exothermic but not a combination. So is it balanced equation? 6 2s are 12 plus 2. How many oxygens are there? 6 2s are 12 plus 6. So here I need to take 6 vote. Then we can balance it. Got it? No doubt, right? Now I'll go to see the decomposition. Would you like to write the equation? Respiration this is. Also we can call it as digestion. Over. Now decomposition. One after the another, children. We will do it bit fast. Decomposition. I am going for thermal decomposition. We have already done thermal decomposition of lead nitrate. Observations. Okay. The thermal decomposition means heat energy involved. Okay, heat energy, thermo means heat. Heat energy is involved to break it down one of the product, a reactant into more than one product, right? Now, in this case, since we have already done, I will take another example. CaCO3, calcium carbonate. This is nothing but limestone. This is a sedimentary rock, and Andhra Pradesh is a good source for sedimentary rock of calcium carbonate. Now when it is heated, okay, we will get CaO plus CO2 gas. So CaO is nothing but quicklime. Got it? Now one question is asked in your exercise, index question. A substance X is mixed with water. Two statements which are very contradictorily we can say. A substance X which is mixed with water is used as whitewashing. Okay, so when you mix with the water, the white substance will be formed, that is used as a whitewashing purposes, right? So don't get confused when you are answering such kind of questions. Okay, so this is one of the decomposition reaction. Now let us go for photolytic reaction. What do you mean photolytic reaction? Yeah, photo means photon. Photon means sunlight. Okay, photolytic reaction. How many of you taking homeopathic medicine? Definitely the medicine should be away from light, away from heat, right? Okay, so these are very sensitive to the light. So when light falls on the, most of the syrup bottles, have you seen that they are brown color, green color? Why the color?
Because of
That frequency, you know that it is the bands of frequency. Okay, green color means that frequency should not pass through the chemical. So it should reflect it back. Then only it is, the medicine is safe, right? photolytic decomposition means in presence of sunlight. Now here the question directly we will not give. So I will frame the statement. A white color substance, a white color, write down first. White color substance X is left at the windowsill. At the windowsill. After some time, X has changed to gray. X has changed to gray. Same pattern. Identify X. Second one, type of the reaction. Third one, balanced equation. If I ask for 2 marks, these are enough. If I add one more, write its application, 1 more mark will be increased. See children, such kind of questions you will be able to attempt when you identify X. If you are failure to identify X, none of the question it goes right. Okay, so which chemical? Now what is the hint? The hint which is given is nothing but
Gray.
gray. This is the hint. Okay, or sometimes the reaction is used in the photo white and black photography, black and white photography. Then that hint also sometimes can be given, but that I have asked here. So I didn't write the statement, right? Now X is nothing but
Yeah.
silver chloride.
AgCl.
Or also it can be also AZBr. So half of the students, if they write it AZBr, we need to give them mark. Both chemicals are silver shiny and both show the same type of reaction. Now type of reaction, photolytic decomposition reaction. Now balanced equation, AgCl gives rise to sunlight. Ag plus Cl. Is it balanced? So what should we do? 2 AgCl, 2 Ag. Right? Now what is its application? Used in,
Black and white photo.
right? Used in black and white photography. Yes. Suppose if I frame, give the another example or give the another chemical which shows the same property, then you can write ACGR.